Okay, my experience when I give a score for my students is depend on the question. Ya, tergantung sama pertanyaannya. If the question is multiple choice, it's very easy ya. Jika pertanyaannya itu multiple choice itu mudah ya, karena skornya bisa 10 sampai 100. Langsung skor asli yang didapat sama siswa. Nanti hasil skor itu mungkin penambahannya itu sama rata. Misalkan satu siswa kita tambah 10, ya semuanya kita tambah 10 sampai mencapai target atau KKM. But if the question is about esai, it's very difficult because we give score, kita memberikan nilai kalau esai itu kadang tidak objektif. Nah, di situ kita menggunakan rumus ya, dimana misalkan siswa itu menjawab pertanyaan dengan benar, itu kita kasih skor berapa, misalkan 4, misalkan benar tapi ada sedikit yang tidak lengkap, itu kita kasih skor 3, kurang lengkap itu kita kasih skor 2, dan sedikit jawaban yang menyangkut pertanyaan itu kita kasih skor 1, dan pertanyaan dan jawaban yang benar-benar melenceng dari pertanyaan kita kasih skor 0, dan itu kita kalikan. My experience in grading my student, especially in English class, if student have a high score, it's mean the student have good grade. For example, if Andi have score 100, it's mean that Andi in grade 1, like that. And student who has not mencapai KKM, it's mean that student not in good grade, so the student must follow like remedial. My experience in giving feedback for my students, if the student have good score, I will give congratulate to make the student to be happy and spirit for learning. But for the student who have a low score, I will give feedback, like give suggestion to make they to be spirit, and they should ask me what they have, what the material that they not understand, and I will share more for my students.